Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. Today we're making coffee shampoo. Now if you know how a cup of coffee in the morning awakens and stimulates our nervous system, that's how coffee works in our hair. The caffeine in shampoo helps to stimulate our hair follicles for more growth. So if you're experiencing hair fall, hair loss, then let's make this shampoo together. Okay, so to make this shampoo we need, of course, a shampoo, and here I'm using a regular shampoo. This one has menthol and the ingredient at the back says it is safe. So I go in with about 70 grams of this shampoo. This quantity is okay for my hair. If you have more hair than I do, then you need to increase the quantity of your shampoo. Also remember that this is a kind of remedy you do and you make and use at once. This is not the kind of hair treatment that you keep and reuse, because you only need it once in a month. So here we have the key ingredient, which is coffee, and this coffee has all of those caffeine in it. So this is what we need in this recipe. If your coffee has decaf written on it, that's not the right coffee for this, because we need a coffee with caffeine that can help stimulate our hair follicles. So I go in with about half a teaspoon of coffee right into my shampoo and I mix thoroughly. Now after mixing this, you need to keep it for at least 24 hours. I left mine overnight to infuse properly and ready to stimulate our hair follicles. So after infusing overnight, I went ahead to apply this shampoo right into my scalp. And I like to wash my hair in sections or loose twist just to make sure my hair remains detangled. And so I took my time to massage and stimulate my scalp with this shampoo. And right after I am done washing my hair, I like to unravel my twist and rinse off thoroughly. You can rinse with apple cider vinegar, but here I used only warm water to rinse my hair and continue with the rest of my hair routine. So in this channel I talk about hair, I talk about natural way to care for our hair, and I share recipes and even how I do and use those recipes. So if this is what you would like, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and do share with everyone who needs a healthy hair growth. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Until then, stay healthy.